Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Today, I want to talk about work and study. I think it is important to share our experiences about our jobs and our learning. What do you think?
I agree, Alice. Talking about our work and study helps me learn new ideas and improve my skills. I like to discuss my job and my study experiences with you.
Great. Let's start with work. What do you do for work, Ben?
I work in an office. I am an accountant at a small company. I check numbers, write reports, and work with a computer every day.
That is interesting. I work as a teacher in a local school. I teach young children English and math. I love my job because I enjoy working with kids.
Teaching sounds very nice. It is a kind job. I am not a teacher, but I admire people who work with children.
Thank you, Ben. I like my work because I can help my students learn new things. I also learn from them. What do you like most about your job as an accountant?
I like that my work is organized. I work with numbers, and I feel calm when I balance accounts. I also like the quiet environment in my office.
That sounds good. A calm work environment is important. My school is busy, but I try to create a calm and fun classroom for my students.
Yes, the environment makes a big difference. In my office, we have a small break room with a coffee machine. We talk with each other during our break.
In my school, we have a playground for the children. We also have a small library. I think a good work environment helps people do their best.
I agree. A friendly and organized workplace is very important for a good job.
Now, let's talk about study. What did you study in school, Ben?
I studied business and accounting at university. I enjoyed my classes, and I learned many important skills like using a computer and working with numbers.
That is great. I studied education at college because I wanted to be a teacher. I learned about teaching methods, child psychology, and how to make lessons fun.
It sounds like you learned a lot about teaching. Did you have many projects in college?
Yes, I did. I had to prepare lesson plans, work on group projects, and give presentations. These activities helped me become more confident.
I had many group projects too. We worked together to solve business problems and create reports. It was not always easy, but I learned a lot about teamwork.
Teamwork is an important skill. I use teamwork every day in my classroom. I work with other teachers and staff to help the students learn.
I also work with my colleagues. We help each other with difficult tasks and share ideas. It makes my job easier.
Let's talk about the skills we need in our work and study. What skills do you think are important, Ben?
I think good computer skills and good communication are very important. I use a computer every day, so I must know basic computer programs. I also need to speak clearly when I explain numbers to my colleagues.
I agree. For me, communication is very important too. I need to speak slowly and clearly so that my students understand me. I also need to be patient.
Patience is a very good skill. In my job, I need to check many numbers and sometimes fix mistakes. Patience helps me to work carefully.
Yes, and I also need creativity in my work. I try to find new ideas for my lessons. Sometimes I make games or sing songs to help the children learn.
Creativity is useful in many jobs, even in accounting. Sometimes I need to solve a problem in a new way. I use my brain to think of new ideas.
I think teamwork is also an important skill. Working with others helps me learn new ideas and solve problems together.
Absolutely. In group projects at university, teamwork was very important. I learned that listening to others and sharing my ideas makes our work better.
How do you improve your skills, Ben? Do you take any extra courses or practice at home?
Yes, I sometimes take online courses. I study new computer programs and learn more about accounting. I also read many books about business. I try to practice every day to become better.
That is very smart. I also take online courses sometimes. I study new teaching methods and read about child development. I practice by preparing lesson plans and trying new activities in class.
It is good that we both continue learning. I believe that learning never stops. Even when we work, we can learn new skills.
I agree. Learning helps us grow and improve our work. I often say to myself, every day is a new chance to learn something new.
That is a good motto, Alice. I think having a positive attitude is very important. When I face a difficult task, I try to learn from it.
Yes, challenges help us improve. In my work, sometimes the lesson does not go as planned. Then I think about what I can do better next time.
In my job, if there is a mistake in a report, I check my work and ask for help if needed. It is all part of learning.
Do you have any advice for someone who is just starting to work or study?
I would say be patient and always try your best. It is important to practice and ask for help when you need it. Also, do not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
That is good advice. I would add that it is important to be kind to yourself. Learning takes time, and every little step counts.
Yes, and it is good to set small goals. When you reach one goal, you feel happy and motivated to learn more.
I set small goals for my lessons. For example, I plan one fun activity for each class. When my students enjoy the activity, I know I did a good job.
That is a great idea. I set goals for my work too. When I finish a difficult report, I reward myself with a short break or a cup of coffee.
Rewards make work more enjoyable. I also like to celebrate small successes with my colleagues. We often talk about our good moments and encourage each other.
That is very important. When you feel supported by your friends and family, work and study become more fun.
Let's talk about our work environment a little more. How is your office, Ben?
My office is small but comfortable. I have a clean desk, a computer, and many files. The lighting is good and the space is quiet. I like it because I can concentrate.
My school is busy. There are many classrooms, a library, and a playground. Sometimes it is noisy, but I love the energy of the school. I try to create a calm area in my classroom for reading and quiet work.
It sounds like you have a very busy and happy work environment. A good place to work is important for success.
Yes, and I always try to keep my classroom tidy and friendly. I decorate it with students' work and colorful posters.
I sometimes decorate my office with photos and small plants. They make my space look lively and remind me to stay relaxed.
Plants are great. They also clean the air and add color. I think a good work environment can make a big difference in our mood and productivity.
I agree, Alice. A clean and happy environment helps me work better and feel positive.
Now, let's talk about our study experiences. What is one of your best study experiences, Ben?
One of my best study experiences was when I worked on a group project at university. My classmates and I met every day at the library. We helped each other and shared ideas. I learned a lot from my friends.
That sounds wonderful. One of my best study experiences was in a small class at college. The teacher was very kind and explained things clearly. I felt comfortable to ask questions.
A good teacher makes a big difference. I remember one professor who made learning fun by using simple examples and stories.
Yes, I remember that too. My teacher used games and fun activities to explain difficult topics. It helped me remember the lessons.
I also like to use online videos and quizzes. They make study time more interactive.
I use online quizzes sometimes to test my knowledge. It is a good way to check if I have learned well.
In my group project, we used an online tool to share our work. It helped us work together even when we were not in the same place.
Technology is very helpful in study and work. I sometimes use my phone or computer to read articles and watch educational videos.
Yes, learning new technology is a skill by itself. It helps us become more efficient and organized.
Do you think that the skills we learn at work and at school are similar?
I believe they are. Many skills like communication, teamwork, and time management are important in both work and study.
I agree. For example, in my classroom, I need to communicate clearly with my students. At work, you need to communicate with your colleagues.
And teamwork is very important. When I work in a group, I listen to my teammates and share my ideas. At school, group projects help me learn this skill.
Time management is another skill. I must plan my lessons and manage my time during the day.
Yes, I use a calendar to plan my tasks. This helps me finish my work on time.
It is good that we learn these skills. They will help us in the future, no matter what job we have.
Absolutely, Alice. Skills like problem solving, creativity, and technology use are important for success in today's world.
I try to improve my skills every day. I read, I practice, and I ask for help when I need it.
Me too. I believe that even small steps in learning can lead to big improvements.
Our work and study are parts of our life that help us grow. I am happy to share my experiences with you, Ben.
I am also happy, Alice. Talking about our work, our study, and our skills makes me feel motivated. I know that I can always learn more.
Thank you for this conversation, Ben. I feel that by discussing our work and study, we share good ideas and support each other.
Thank you, Alice. I enjoyed our talk very much. It helps me think about my own job and study habits. I will try to use the skills we talked about to improve my work.
I will do the same. Let's promise to talk about our work and study again soon.
I promise, Alice. I look forward to our next conversation. Maybe next time we can also share our plans for new projects or new study ideas.
That is a great idea, Ben. I will start planning some new lesson ideas for my students and look for new courses online.
And I will look for new tools to help me with my reports and maybe take a short course in a new computer program.
I wish you good luck with your work, Ben. I know you will do very well.
Thank you, Alice. I wish you the best in your teaching. I am sure your students love you very much.
Thank you, Ben. It is nice to know that we share similar goals and that we can learn from each other.
Yes, sharing our experiences makes our journey easier. I am happy to have a friend like you.
I feel the same way. Family, friends, work, and study all help us grow. Let's always support each other.
I agree. Have a wonderful day at work, Alice, and good luck with your new lesson plans.
Thank you, Ben. Enjoy your day at the office and keep learning new skills.
I will, Alice. Thank you for this long and helpful conversation. I look forward to talking with you again soon.
Me too, Ben. Goodbye for now and take care.
Goodbye, Alice.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.